It's the 5th of January 2021, and I'm back with another exciting video. This one is going to be about Tezos. I've heard people pronounce it Tezos, Tezos. I like to say Tezos. This happens to be one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, and I have to say that because it's one that actually it pays a staking reward. It's kind of like a dividend for having it. Currently, if we go and look at Tezos on CoinMarketCap, its current rank is number 21 out of all of the cryptos out there. And if we look at its market cap, it's sitting at a punchy $1.7 billion with a circulating supply of 755,888,000 and some change. Volume at 369,389,000, and it's been on a roller coaster. It's $2.35. What I want to bring your attention to is it wasn't that long ago that Tezos was actually sitting at $4. I want you to see that. So if I just stretch this out to all, and we go back a little bit into 2020, we can see here that Tezos was approximately at $4.20, and it just looked like it was fixing to go ahead and pop off and do something that we hadn't seen. If we go back in the January of 2018, and even in May, we can see that it had some pretty serious price action, and the price was about $7.98. So when we hit September of August and September of 2020, it looked like it just might be on its way back up to do its all-time high, and then it basically retraced back down to where we are at $2.35. So what is Tezos? Many of you probably already know. I'm going to make this a very brief overview of what Tezos is for those who may be new to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel out, and I really do appreciate it. But to give you an idea of what Tezos actually really is, it says here that it's a blockchain, and it's designed to provide the safety and code correctness required for assets and other high-value use cases. Its native smart contract language, Michelson, features formal verification, a methodology commonly used in mission-critical environments such as aerospace, nuclear, and semiconductor industries. It's upgradable. Stop right there. Upgradable. What they're talking about here is it says the Tezos modular architecture and formal upgrade mechanism allow the network to propose and adopt new technical innovations smoothly as they emerge. These aspects, combined with Tezos on-chain invoice mechanism, enable the protocol to remain state-of-the-art long into the future without sacrificing community consensus. I'm going to elaborate here. You don't have to create a fork of Tezos because of the fact that it's upgradable. They have the mechanism in there to allow for basically upgrades to the coin without having to fork the coin. They've also basically got what they call the governance taken care of. And what I mean by that is that let's say that someone has a great idea and they want to add that to this blockchain. The governance would be, how do we vote on accepting this upgrade to this particular currency or this blockchain? Well, they have that mechanism solved too. That's what makes Tezos so special. And then, as if that's not enough, and I don't want this to sound like a Tezos infomercial, but they pay staking rewards. I just want to be open. I do own a stake in Tezos, but the idea is I have a stake in many of them. But I just think this is a very special coin in that the innovation here is that they have looked at the problems that are plaguing some of the most popular coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum. These coins have problems where when it comes time to upgrade them, it's going to take almost an act of God in order to make it happen. Governance is a problem. The technical aspect of it is a problem. And what these folks have done, they have innovated to the extent that Tezos is upgradable without a fork. That's what they mean by self-amendment. On-chain governance, meaning they have a process to vote on changes. Decentralized innovation. They have the smart contracts. They have what they call it's a proof of stake coin, and they are incentivizing those who hold the coin with basically staking rewards. So you can read all about it here, about the proof of stake and delegation, and you can read about the leadership on their site. So let's talk about where Tezos is and where it could be. We said that Tezos is currently sitting at $2.35. Let's look at all of the price action. The highest it's ever been is around $7.98. Then came the crypto winter. We came out of the crypto winter and it looked like it was going to shoot. It was shooting. Get this, folks. It was shooting before Bitcoin shot. I want to make that point. Before, in the last crypto rush, bull run, the altcoins shot kind of after or during the shoot up of Bitcoin. What we have this time in this bull run is that it was Bitcoin first, Ethereum, and then we had the alt season, which we are experiencing now, even as Bitcoin and Ethereum post new highs. So the thing that's strange here is that Tezos shot before Christmas, and it shot up to half of what its ultimate highest value was back in 2018. It did this in August of 2020. So if you think about that, the fact that it retraced here, Tezos is still evolving. They still have their they still have their business partners in place. They're still innovating. They are still strategically coming out with how they're going to use this blockchain to change things all around the crypto space. And they were maintaining their value before Bitcoin and Ethereum shot all the way up. What I'm telling you is there will be a second shot. That was the warning shot. We talk about what gives a blockchain value on this channel. And I want to offer to you the idea that this is a demonstration that this coin had value, and it did need Bitcoin or Ethereum to precede it to demonstrate that the people that are looking at this technology believe in the project. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and make my price prediction for 2021. It's currently sitting at $2.33. There's a lot of negativity in the crypto space around what's going on with XRP as Stellar continues to climb and XRP continues to drop. We've got Bitcoin going through the roof. We got Ethereum going through the roof. We got Chainlink going through the roof. Polkadot going through the roof. We got everything in the top 10 except XRP doing what it should do. Once upon a time, Tezos was in the top 10, I believe. And now it's sitting at number 21. I think that this could be a sleeping giant. And rather than focus on where it could be ranked between 1 and 10, I want to talk about its market cap. If I look at Tezos and I look at its current market cap of 1,772,000,000, and then I go and look again that once upon a time, way back in 2008, the highest market cap that it achieved appears to be let's see what it is here. Is it going to show us? Is it going to show us? It's not going to show us. Let's look at what it is. It's not showing the market cap. Well, I'm going to say this. We do have the price. So if we look at the price of $7 and we look at the price now that is $2.35, roughly that's about 3 times, a little less than 3 times what it is now. Not only do I think they are going to reach their all-time high here again of $7. What do we got there? $7.77. Not only do I think they're going to reach that, I actually believe that they will attain a market cap that is right at about 2.5 billion. So if we're at 2.5 billion, you know, that's a little bit less. Let's just call it 2.5 times where they. I think that they're going to be at about 2.5 billion, which is almost, you know, it's not quite double, maybe a 1.5 on 1.5x. So if we look at that, it's going to be probably about $3.50. I think it's going to initially hit a $3.50 range before it gets challenged, and then that's when it's going to shoot for the moon. And I think that they will hit twice as high as they did back in December of 2018. They hit $8. I'm telling you that they're going to hit anywhere from $12 to $16. I'm going to be conservative. In my opinion, they're going to hit 12, somewhere between $12 and $16. So let's just call it a $14 Tezos after the next bull run. And I'm pretty confident in that because we already had the pre-test even before the real bull run started with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So $14. $14 is my price prediction for Tezos by close of business 2021. If you've enjoyed this video, if you've enjoyed this price prediction, please, please, please like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And for all of my subscribers, I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos. I love the comments, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.